All right, now here we are back in God's country, South Carolina. We're on an old state road. It's never been paved or anything. It's on the map, and we're gonna just see if there's anything out here. We don't know what it is, what's here. And we got Josh, and we got Kurt hiding behind his car.
Southern Fried.
Southern Fried. All right, we're gonna get at it. Be right back. Well, Kurt's found something pretty good. I've never seen one before. Probably one of the oldest motor club that I've ever seen, but it's pretty neat too. It says Palmetto Motor Club, South Carolina. It's got the double A's on each side of a palmetto tree. That's pretty good looking. I like that. I'd say teens and 20s.
Probably.
I think so. It's
Maybe even older, I don't know.
yeah. Just have to check it out.
That's awesome. Anything with a palmetto tree in the middle of it's awesome.
Man, you got that right.
All right, way to go, Kurt.
Hey, appreciate the hunt, man.
Ain't no problem. I want to show y'all this chimney.
I want to show you this mantelpiece.
Okay, Josh got a mantelpiece he wants to show us.
You might be well saving.
Yeah, oh, that's pretty nice. It's decorative around the edges. That's a hearth piece.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the wood would go in here. That's pretty neat there. It's a nice one.
Chimney.
And this is the chimney. By the looks of it, it's hand-hewn brick, rock foundations. It's really old. I'd say late 19th century, at least.
I'd say
Josh says mid 19th century. It's got the rock foundation. Wasn't a very big house, but it's been torn down a long time too. That's sweet right there. We'll be right back. Josh called us over, said we might want to do this as a live dig. Gonna go over here and see what he's got.
I'll let Kurt listen to it and see what he thinks.
Let me see your numbers. Hold on, let me get behind you.
It's jumping around a little bit, but see what you think.
Yeah, go ahead and dig it.
What do you think? It's big?
No, I'm just messing with you.
Are you getting a good signal?
65 to 81.
All right, let's see what it is. Dun dun dun. Southern Fried Relic Hunting's first live dig. March 13th, 2015.
Not getting anything now. In the bottom of the hole. Nope, I got it out. Getting a 80-81, so it's
Well,
probably going to be a penny or something.
Yep.
There it is. Got a penny.
Memorial.
A memorial penny.
Memorial?
He got him a memorial. Well, hey, it could have been worse. It could have been worse. We'll be right back. Had a nice little buckle. At the bottom. Nice little buckle. Yes, not this. Just the old brass buckle.
Nice.
Probably late 19th, early 20th century. It's all brass. See you in a minute. Josh just found a 1948 rabies tag. That's pretty neat. Let's see if it's got the county on it, but I don't see it. It says Ginsal rabies vaccination 1948. Cool. That's awesome, mate. That's pretty neat. It says Tangy Rouge. Don't know what Tangy Rouge is, but there's one right there. Little Rouge pack. 30s, 40s, 20s maybe. I have to research that since it's got a name on it. I'll see you in a minute. Nice little old buckle here. It's hard to tell, might be a suspender buckle. Let's pull it out and see. Silver plated. Can't see anything on it. But it sure is a sweet find. I'll take it every time. See you in a minute. Alright. Josh has got something that might be good for a live dig. We're in a place where the signals are sparse. So when you get a good one, it's usually something good.
That's a good signal.
As soon as it gets through that. Get it out?
I don't know. Or modern bullet.
All right, we're gonna get this live dig thing down one day. I'll be back in a minute. Got something here. It's either gold gilded or gold. It is a neat belt buckle. Yours is interfering with my. Check this out. It's pretty good there.
It's awesome.
I don't know what it is. It looks like a belt buckle or something.
Gold plated, ain't it?
Yep. See if it's got a little design on it.
It's like an S.
Yes.
Or five. I don't know, man. Cool. Right there it says it's made in Hong Kong. I'm just kidding. It says Simmons right there.
Yeah, I found those before.
Yeah, that's
It's
cool.
Probably 30s. They have a real heavy plate on them.
Yeah, they do.
Yeah.
Excellent find.
Cool.
I bet Chuck saw that and said, "Ah, dang, there's some
I
gold."
thought it was gold for sure.
It's got an S. I found one at my great granddaddy's house that had a W on it. His last name was Wheeler. So our last name was probably something started with an F.
Cool.
That's neat.
Good deal.
Let's go get some more. Got a nice little Jew's harp here. I think it's the first one I've ever found. This is a little thing that when you blow on it, put it between your teeth and go down, 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 down. Well, sorry, but that's the best way I can describe it if you don't know what it is. Yeah, it's a good find. See what else we can get. Alright, got a little flat button here. Look at there. See that sweet baby? You know, I never get tired of finding flat buttons. I don't know why. They ain't worth nothing as far as money, but they're still fun to find. That just means that this is an old place. It's a cool find. We'll be right back. Got a little musket ball, probably a pistol ball, about pistol ball size. That's it rang up probably 50-55 on the AT Pro. You have a pretty good signal. This is a little cutover, a little food plot actually for a deer club, and we've hunted this stuff, oh man, countless times, and it's still giving up good targets. I'll let you know when we find something else. Have a good one. Well, we got a coin here. I'm not sure if it's a wheat penny or an Indian head. It's one of the two. And I see Mr. Lincoln. So let's see if it's a memorial or a wheat penny. And it's a wheat penny. Okay. Well, I'll take it. Maybe it's an old wheat penny. Let's hope. Alright, back at it. Alright. Josh wants to try another live dig.
Hadn't had any luck with it so far.
Alright, we're going to see what we got here.
I mean, it sounds like a silver dime to me. 81, 82. Not big. I hope I'm right.
I hope you are too.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do.
Alright, let's see if I got it.
Did it disappear?
No, I got it. Doesn't sound as good now. Watch it be a rivet. Well. Nope.
Still in there?
Didn't dig the hole quite right.
Don't break your neck digging a dime. Dime holding up $1.
It's gonna be under a root. Alright, it's out and it's still ringing up a solid 82.
Alright.
That sounds like a coin.
A coin. And it's a rivet.
Gotta...
He's done dug 3 rivets on a live dig. That's all right, people. It's still on.
Damn, man.
He'll be back. I'm going to do my little wrap up here. My little goodies I cleaned up for you. This is my Jews harp I found yesterday. I would say the early to mid 1800s. It's brass. Still has a little gilt on it. And got a heavily gold-plated Simmons Art Deco belt buckle, probably from the 1930s. It has an S on it. My last name's Smith. It's a pretty good find there. Really, really heavy gold gilt. Got a, I guess a keyhole cover, or keyhole, brass keyhole. I got 2 of those. Another one right here. This one's got a lot of iron on it, but it's brass. Got a Tangy Rouge compact case. It says on the back of it, George W. Luft, New York, made in the USA, probably from the 20s or 30s. Got a 1916 wheat penny. I was sure hoping that was an Indian head, but no, it's a wheat. But that's all right, I'll take it. 1916. Got a silver plated suspender buckle. That's pretty neat. Harmonica reed. Still got the rivet in it, the 2 pieces. One for the major chords and one for the minor chords, I guess. That's how it works. 3 flat buttons found within about the same hole, practically. Well, not really in the same hole. There's about 5 feet apart, but that's close enough. All about the same size. Bottom part of a pocket knife, but lost it there. And Josh Mangum's favorite find is a rivet. He loves those things. But that's my wrap up for yesterday's hunt. We'll be going tomorrow to a place out of town, still in South Carolina. Hope to find some good stuff there. And we'll see you tomorrow. Adios.